Today, I did something a little wild. I spent the last 72 hours testing every single viral AI tool that's trending right now on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, everywhere, and guess what? Most of them are overhyped, but a few were absolutely insane, and might just change the way you live or work. So sit back, grab your coffee, and let me save you hours of your life. Let's get into it. 1. Google Veo, video generator. So this one has been blowing up. Veo by Google DeepMind. It's a text-to-video AI tool that generates cinematic video clips just by describing a scene. I typed in a neon-lit Tokyo street, raining, 4K, slow motion, and the result? Unreal. It's limited in access right now, but if you get in, this thing is wild. The quality is top tier, better than anything I've seen. I rate it 9 out of 10. 2. GPT-4o, OpenAI's new model. This is ChatGPT on steroids. The new GPT-4o model can see, hear, and talk back in real time. I had a literal voice convo with it, and it felt like Jarvis from Iron Man. What blew my mind is that it can look at screenshots and explain stuff. I showed it an Excel file, and it found my mistakes. Insane. I rate it 10 out of 10. 3. Suno AI, music generator. Ever wanted to make your own Drake-style song? Suno AI lets you write lyrics and auto-generates full songs with vocals. I made a sad lo-fi banger in 2 minutes. It is great for content creators needing royalty-free music, musicians for quick demos and just goofing off. I rate it 8.5 out of 10. 4. Opus Clip, automatic viral video editor. Upload any long-form video, and Opus Clip will cut it into vertical TikTok, reel clips with subtitles, transitions, and viral hooks. The reason it is viral is that it understands the emotion in your speech and finds the best parts automatically. Also, it is perfect for podcasters, YouTubers and business coaches. I rate it 9 out of 10. 5. 11 Labs, voice cloning. This tool is freaky good. I uploaded 30 seconds of my voice, and it cloned it perfectly. I then typed a script and had me read it aloud. What people are doing with it are narrating books, creating faceless YouTube channels and dubbed voiceovers in different languages. I rate it 9 out of 10. 6. Pika Labs, text-to-video with stylized effects. If Veo is the Hollywood version, Pika is the creative TikTok one. Think anime loops, stylized transitions, surreal scenes, all AI generated. Why it's fun? Because it is more playful than Veo and is great for shorts and TikToks. I rate it 8 out of 10. 7. Hey Gen, AI talking avatars. Turn a selfie into a full talking avatar. You give it text, and it generates a video of you talking with synced lips and emotions. It is great for explainer videos, YouTube automation and training or course content. I rate it 8.5 out of 10. 8. Notion AI, all-in-one productivity assistant. This one isn't new, but it's still viral and constantly improving. Write blog posts, plan your week, summarize meetings, all in Notion. The reason it is powerful is that it is seamless with docs and databases, also has simple and clean UX. Alright, so those were the top viral AI tools right now. Some absolutely game-changing, others a bit overhyped. If you're thinking of diving into the world of AI, start with GPT-4o, Opus Clip, and Veo, total game changers. Let me know which one you'd actually use in the comments, and hey, if this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more real AI breakdowns that aren't just hype. Thanks for watching AI Unlocked, and I'll see you in the next one.